Hi, welcome. Do you want to become a hypnotist? Do you want to learn the secret of hypnosis and hypnotize people for fun, profit and fame? My friend, you might have seen a lot of videos on YouTube, or you might have attended some stage hypnosis program, or you might have seen some people doing street hypnosis. Yes, my friend. And you must be wondering how it is done. Am I right? And you are wondering, can I do this? That's right, my friend, you are at the right place. I am Pradeep Aggarwal and I am learning hypnosis since 1972, teaching hypnosis since 1977, and more than 10 lakhs people attending my live training programs all over the world. I have a student in 180 countries. I normally conduct this 2-day workshop, hypnotize anyone in 30 seconds or less, for fun, profit and fame in Hyderabad or all over the world. 2 full-day practical workshop. But you know, coronavirus time, we cannot travel, we cannot touch people, you know that. So, with a lot of public demand, I am doing a workshop on Zoom. Yes, my friend, on Zoom. You can learn hypnosis from your home. Sitting there, no need to travel. So, my friend, I am conducting this workshop. This workshop is happening on 22nd of November, which is Sunday, 2:30 p.m. It will be 3 to 4 hour workshop. Now let me tell you what you are going to learn and how you will master these techniques. So my friend, let me tell you my way of teaching. First I will tell you what it is, and then I'll give you a demo from my live seminars, and then explain to you the videos one by one, so you will become master, you will become the hypnotist after the end of the workshop. Now my friend, let me tell you what you will learn. You will learn what hypnosis is and how it works. You will learn how subconscious mind works. Then you will learn a very powerful thing called imagination game. You will experience in the workshop on the Zoom. Yes, you will experience those things in the workshop. Plus you will learn how to do it on others. You know, the heavy hand and gas balloon, hand stiff you might have seen, hand lock, finger lock, hand stuck, leg stuck, name amnesia. All these things I'll give you in a demo and you will learn it there. I'll explain to you, give you the secrets how to do it, which nobody teaches. That's right, my friend. And now you will learn one thing with the eyes closed. Second thing you will learn with the eyes open. Yes, my friend, it's called waking hypnosis. I'll give you a demo how to do it. Only if you follow certain system you can do it. Then you will learn how to convert imagination game into pure hypnosis and then give a demo. I'll give you all these techniques how to convert. You will watch it and then understand it, and then you may start doing it during the workshop only on your family members. That's right, my friend. And then you will learn how to know which person is good for hypnosis or not. Yes. How to identify the person is following instructions or not. We call it we call it how to test them indirectly. And then you will know convince the person they are hypnotized or not. Lot of things you will learn there. Plus you will identify the hypnotic symptoms to know whether this person is ready or not. And you will learn a very powerful technique called hypnotic moment. That is the right time, you snap your finger, the person goes into a trance. Now you will learn how to keep precautions, what are the precautions you need to do. Then you will learn a different simple methods of hypnotizing others. Very simple method, 2 to 3 minutes you take, and then with a little practice you can do it instantly. And then you will learn how to give a hypnotic gift. Now my friend, when you hypnotize people for fun, profit and fame, we hypnotize them. The moment you go to a party, friends or meeting somewhere, you have a gathering, you start talking about your mind power. And then do the imagination game with them. Then select the right person and do hypnotic demos on them, and then give them a hypnotic gift. Why hypnotic gift? When you give the gift, the person remembers you, and other people also want to have the gift. So you have a ready candidate to hypnotize them. How to give a gift you will learn. Then you will learn how to do hypnotic anesthesia and many other things. And then listen carefully. Once you start doing this, people will start liking you. They want to have more fun with you, and you become famous. And then you can make money. How you can make money? By teaching them self-hypnosis, giving them hypnotic gift, and do a content-free therapy. Content-free therapy means they don't need to tell you what the problem is. Still you can do therapy with them. A very powerful technique. You learn 2 techniques there. And then you will learn how to teach self-hypnosis. Then you will learn how to bring the person out of hypnosis very safely. All these things you will learn, very little theory, more practical things which I'll give you a demo. You watch it and explain to you step by step how to do it, which nobody has done so far, my friend. Now this workshop will go around 3 to 4 hours, depending on how fast you are doing it. And now let me tell you, what are the things you are going to get? You are going to get a manual, you get a certificate program, plus you will get a lot of bonuses. Now what are these bonuses? Worth rupees 17,000 rupees. What are the bonuses? You get an immersion game DVD where I am teaching you 7-8 different techniques, downloadable. Dave Elman induction, a very powerful hypnotic induction, which costs around 2,000 rupees. Hypnosis and self-hypnosis, a self-hypnosis live recorded program, 2.5 hour workshop, 2,000 rupees. Plus Hypnotic, hypnosis for self, live recorded program on audio, MP3, 2 full day. That also get that 2,000 rupees. Uncovering the cause, this is the technique you'll get. Plus in your manual, the script is given there. That is also around 200 rupees. Then 7 weeks to personal transformation ebook. Creative visualization, another ebook. Stage hypnosis, another ebook. And 24 lessons in hypnosis, my another ebook. And then affirmations. Now these affirmations and things you can use it for therapy purpose. All these things is approximately 9,200 rupees you'll get as a bonus. Now my friend, the fee for the workshop, normally we charge around 10,000 rupees. When you register before 16th of November, on or before 16th of November, you get these bonuses, and the fees will be 2,000 plus GST. That becomes 2,360 rupees, and it is only till 16th, and after that the seats available, the price will increase to 3,000 plus GST. That become around 3,540 rupees. Now my friend, if you register before 16th, there are 2 more bonuses you get. Number 1, you can use this money, the 2,000 plus GST, for our live physical workshop in Hyderabad anytime in the future. You just have to show the certificate and confirm advance. You have to just pay the balance amount. If the fees is 10,000 or 12,000, whatever it is, you just pay less. So that means you are getting an advance free of. Second thing, the most important thing, my friend, listen carefully. We have recorded a live training program in Hyderabad a year back, 2 full day. It is professionally recorded workshop, which we sell it for 7,500 plus GST on our website. If you register before 16th of November, you will get this also as a bonus, downloadable material. Wonderful. So my friend, listen carefully. If you want to become a hypnotist, you want to amaze your friends, you want to have hypnotic powers, you want to heal others and make money. Lot of people have attended my workshop, started teaching hypnosis, you started doing bigger seminars and making a lot of money. You can also do that, my friend. So if you really want to become a hypnotist, if you want to have a hypnotic power and amaze your family, friends, and become popular and make money, this is the workshop for you, my friend. So click on the link below right now, register, and I'll see you on when? 22nd of November, which is Sunday, 2:30 p.m. sharp on Zoom. Once you register, we'll send you the link and password. Don't say it to anybody, my friend. Keep it with you. And in the workshop, let me tell you the rule. You have to have your video on, and in the Zoom, you need to have your proper name, otherwise we'll remove you. So my friend, if you really want to master hypnosis, it is the right chance. We may not conduct the workshop again. So please, right now, click on the link and register, and call us on the number given, and see you soon personally. All the best. Thank you very much. Thank you.